students, welcome to the next lecture of carbon and its compounds. And in this video we will discuss about the another very important topic of the chapter, that is about compressed natural gas, that is called as CNG. So CNG is the compressed natural gas. This is the compressed form of natural gas. This CNG is basically used as a fuel, clear, because this is considered as the non-polluting fuel. Why it is considered as non-polluting? Because when CNG is burned, then less amount of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide is going to produced. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर जब, क्योंकि हमें पता है मोस्ट ऑफ द फ्यूल्स are the carbon compounds. Not all of the fuels are carbon compound, but most of the fuels are carbon compounds. For example, diesel, petrol, CNG, LPG, these all are the carbon compound or the carbon containing fuels. And we know that when carbon is burning in air or when carbon is burning with oxygen gas, then it produces carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide gases. So when CNG is going to burn as a fuel, then it causes less amount of pollution because it forms less amount of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. So this CNG is the compressed form of natural gas. This is the first important thing. Second one, it is considered as non-polluting fuel. Clear? It is non-polluting fuel because it forms less amount of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide on burning. One more important property of the CNG is it is light in weight. Light in weight. So when there is the leaking of CNG, यदि CNG के सिलेंडर्स में से लीकिंग की प्रोसेस होती है, लीक यदि होती है, तो ये लाइट वेट की होने की वजह से एयर में काफी दूर तक स्प्रेड हो जाती है विद द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ एयर. So there are less chances of accidents. ठीक, तो यहाँ पर लाइट वेट की होने की वजह से क्या होगा, less chances of accidents. क्योंकि लाइट वेट है और एयर के पार्टिकल्स के साथ ये काफी दूर तक स्प्रेड हो जाती है, so there are less chances of the accidents. This is considered as an ideal fuel, है ना. एक फ्यूल में जितनी भी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टीज होनी चाहिए, these all the properties are present in compressed natural gas. That's why it is considered as an ideal fuel. On the other hand, one more gas is there which is called as LPG. This LPG is also used as fuel, as domestic fuels. One more thing about CNG, this is obtained from the deep into the earth's crust. So this is obtained from deep into the earth crust. Now, as we say that this is the natural gas and natural gases are obtained from the earth crust. So this is obtained from deep into the earth crust. The another very important type of fuel which is used as domestic fuel, that is LPG, the liquid petroleum gas. Clear? Now what are the differences between CNG and LPG? We know that CNG is non-polluting gas, but LPG is polluting gas because the when LPG is going to burn, then it produces more amount of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. That's why it causes more pollution than the CNG. Next one is LPG is heavier than CNG in weight. ठीक है, तो हमारे पास जब LPG सिलेंडर से लीकिंग की प्रोसेस होती है तो इसके पार्टिकल्स बहुत ज्यादा एयर में काफी दूर तक और काफी हाइट तक स्प्रेड नहीं हो पाते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर हायर इन वेट. ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाई देयर आर द मोर चांसेस ऑफ एक्सीडेंट्स. है ना, कई बार आप देखते हो हमारे घर में भी जब LPG सिलेंडर लीक करता है तो बहुत फाउल स्मेलिंग उसमें आती है. दिस इज वेरी suffocating gas and it causes many type of accidents because it is heavier than the CNG and it cannot reach up to the heights with air. Clear? So these are the some important this LPG is obtained, CNG is obtained from the deep into the earth crust and LPG is obtained from the fractional distillation of the petroleum. Clear? So these are some important differences between CNG and LPG and it is a very important question for the RBSc students. Clear? ये CNG और LPG का डिफरेंस एग्जाम में पूछते हैं और यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आता है why CNG is considered as better fuel than LPG. So you have to remember all these things. Now the next topic of the chapter, that is polymer. About polymer we will discuss in our next lecture. Thank you very much.